So DJ Warras received death threats and opened five protection orders for people who are owning South Africa, people who are owning the buildings in downtown Joburg. You buy a building, you are investing in it, you are trying to make money for yourself. People come and hijack it, and there's nothing that you will do. And there is nothing that you will do about it. They will kill you. They will assassinate you in the name of being police. Yo, guys, welcome to the Trending Trends. What happened yesterday? It's shocking. What happened yesterday? It's something that you don't even know where to start if you want to talk about it. But I'm not into the idea that DJ Warras should go and sleep and rest in peace. He's not the type of a person to rest in peace. He must go and join Babita. He must go and join Marius. They must fight even beyond. Their blood should fight, because, guys, this is injustice. To be a South African is scary. To be a South African, guys, is so scary. You will end up being killed. You will end up being killed for nothing. For nothing. Just to talk. His last interview with Panuel, he was spewing facts. He was talking facts. Everything that he was saying made sense. I listened to it. He talked sense, but in this South Africa, when you talk like that, you must know that your days are numbered, because people don't want people who talk like that, because they are taking food out of their mouths. So just imagine such a young life at a tender age of 40. They cut it short. The gods of this world, they cut it short. You can't talk. You can't do anything. You can't talk. You can't do anything. We must just fold our arms and say, it's okay. We must just fold our arms and say, it's okay. Yo, guys. South Africa is something else. Even if you've got facts, even if you've got inputs that can take this South Africa forward, you can't. You cannot, because your life will be cut short. Everything is about money, putting money in the pocket, putting money in the pocket, putting money in the pocket. But everything is in our hands. If we don't go and vote, if we don't go and vote wisely this time, we are dead. If we don't go and vote wisely this time, we are finished. We are finished. We might as well pack our bags and be like any other country in Africa and be a nomad. Go up and down, because here there's no life. Here there's no life. Only the bullies will be able to live in this country. Otherwise, let's forget about it. Yo, guys, my heart is broken. Let's meet on the other video, guys. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.